Hey everyone, I'm sitting here in my house in my robe, here to bring you some Microsoft Team tips. Today I'm going to go over tags and how you can utilize tags within your organization to even greater send information out to only the people who need it. You can create sub teams. You can do all kinds of fun stuff with tags. Tags is one of those things that it's a feature and it's there, but a lot of people, I don't know if they just don't know about it or aren't using it, but that's why I'm here. And that's what we're going to go over today. So we're going to go over tags in Microsoft Teams. Stay tuned. So I have Microsoft Teams over here. And I'm going to go into a couple of the teams. Like I said, I'm going to go over tags. Now, it is important to note first off that if you are in a GCC environment, tags don't even exist. So if you're sitting here watching this video and you're like, "Ooh, I want to use tags," but you're a government organization or you're in a GCC, which is a government commercial cloud, this you might as well just stop watching because I'm sorry, it doesn't exist and it's not even a possibility. So, but what you can do is you can follow along, and when it does come available within your organization, then you'll know and you'll be ahead of the curve and people will look at you like you're a subject matter expert. So, let's go ahead and get started. Here's Microsoft Teams. I'm going to blow that screen up for you now. And within Microsoft Teams, I'm going to enter into a team. So I am here in the US sales team, clicked into the general tab. And so you can do this through any of your channels, but it's done at the team level. So if you wanted, let's say that the financial sales team has a financial sales east and a sales west. So we see we have sales east and sales west as a channel, but what if within financial sales team there is sales east and sales west within financial sales? So let's just pretend that exists, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the three dots here on our team, and then we're going to go down to manage tags. That's one way that you can get into it. The second way that you can get into it is go into manage team. So let's click on manage team. Here we know who is a member and a guest of our team. We see who the team owners are, and then we can see any pending requests, which nobody's knocking on our door. You can look at channels, which we have all these channels, great. And then settings. And so you'll want to go down here and to tags to make sure that tags are turned on and can be utilized and who can use them, right? So owners and members. So it might be checked only to owners right now. So if you're a member of a team and you're like, man, I can't do this, make sure that the settings are turned on to owners and members can manage tags. And if you're not an owner, then you're just going to have to ping somebody and let them know that you wanted to use this. Now you'll see the last tab over here, which is tags. And so here in tags, we see Eastern rep, and there are two members. So what we'll want to do is we'll want to create a tag, and we'll just call them Western rep. And we'll add a couple people. I always pick on Adele, and let's see anybody who, there's got to be someone. There we go, Megan, and we'll hit create. So now we have our Eastern reps and our Western reps. And so maybe we want to boil it down even further. We can just say I'm in Virginia. So we could say this is our Virginia reps. And let's see, there's got to be, there's nobody. There we go, Irvin. Irvin is our Virginia reps. And let's say since Virginia's in the East, we got to make sure Irvin is here. So we're going to add Irvin here. And he is now in Eastern, and he's in Virginia. And so this is great, right? So like, what does this do? So we can go back into our tags. We can click on Virginia. There's a couple options, right? So we can edit it, the tags. You saw me do that with the pencil. So if I wanted to add additional reps here, I can do that. There's also this little chat with this group. And so if I click chat with this group here, or I click it here, that is going to open up a group chat with that, which is pretty cool, right? But we're going to go back. And so that is one way. Another way is we can copy. This is the sign for copy in Microsoft Teams. And if I click this, it's going to create a copy of the tag that I could then, call Virginia reps 2, or something like that, and it would bring over all of those members. For whatever reason, if you wanted to create a duplicate and maybe just remove 1 or 2 people, you can do that. So I'm not going to do that. But there's 2 ways you can do that. The 2 ways you can use this for communication. The first way is here in the chat bubble, and that will create a group chat with you guys. Or what's more likely is if you're in general, now what we can do is we can create a new conversation, and then I can use the @ sign to say Virginia reps, and I can tag people, Virginia reps, in a conversation. Can you please get me a MapQuest? Because people still do that, right? I'll go ahead and hit send, and that's going to ping our Virginia reps. Another thing that you could do is you could say, obviously you can ping everyone in here into the US sales in particular, and we can say Eastern because we have the Eastern rep. So we have the channel or we have the tag. So we get Eastern reps and same Western reps. Please submit your timesheets. I don't know. So this will alert them within their activity bell. So I'll show you that now and I can click over this and we can see who is a member of it, right? So I can see that Irvin is a member of the Eastern rep. And so I can hover over it, chat with the group, and then just say, hey guys, I pinged you in the US sales channel. Please respond. And that's going to create a group chat. Pretty cool, huh? So that is a quick and easy way to use tags. Tags are now, it is important to note that tags only exist within the team. So you could use tags within East. So Sales East, since we have one called Virginia, we could say, hey, Virginia reps, we are jumping on a call. And then you can use that. But notice that if I go into communications, or let's go into sales and marketing down here, I cannot use Virginia reps here. It doesn't exist, right? Because those tags are only specific to the team in which you created them. They're not universal. They're not like groups. Okay, so groups you can use throughout your entire environment. Tags you can only use, they're like subgroups of that team, right? They're things that they're a subgroup that you can use within a specific team, similar to a private channel, but except it does a lot less on the back end, right? So that is a tag. That's how you use them. That's some quick and fun little tips of how, and some use cases of how you be wanting to use them. If you guys have any questions about tags, you want some more information about tags, I'm here to help. I will, hit me in the comments below if there's something that you want to learn more about Microsoft Teams, some tips, some tricks that I've left out. Let me know in the comments below. Also, guys, we have now hit a milestone of subscribers. So we hit 100. So at the beginning of the year is when we started doing this, and we hit 100 about through August now. So that's not bad, but let's keep it going. Keep sharing these videos out if you guys are getting some use out of them, and you feel like they help you guys. Share them out for us. That would be a huge help. And of course, hit that like and subscribe down below. And if you have if you guys need some help, hit in the comments and I will respond to you. Somebody on my team will respond to you, or we'll do a video about it. How about that? That'd be cool, right? If we did a full video about something that you guys might need or help. That's like free consulting, right? Who doesn't like that? So guys, this has been your video on Microsoft Teams using tags, and I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, guys, thanks for hanging out, and see ya.